So my brother Evan, he wanted to show you his masks that he found online that he printed off. So try that one on first, Ev. He wants to show them all to you because he has like 5, I think. Yeah, 5. Look at the camera, Evan. Which animal is that?
Elephant.
An elephant? Okay. Next mask.
This is a hippo.
A hippo. Okay, next mask. And I think he found these on Nick Jr. on the Diego part because he's only 3. He watches Diego and he found these masks.
It's a jaguar.
A jaguar. Okay, next
I like
jaguar.
to be all of them.
Yep, you're gonna be all of them. That's right.
This is a big
A polar bear.
tiger.
A white tiger. So, yeah. Evan, say bye.
Bye. These are all my masks.
Yeah, they're all your masks. Hey, Evan. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.